Boy, am I glad we made it here. So this is a beautiful little lagoon. Stunning, fantastic. Check it out. Beautiful. So this is a beautiful little lagoon. Hey everyone, hi, this is Priya and with me is Prashant and you're watching Lime Trails. I'm sure आप हमारे vlogs देख रहे हैं and you know we are in Goa. तो आज हम सुबह सुबह उठे हैं and we are on our way to Kola Beach. तो हमारी सवारी है तैयार. Let's head out to Kola Beach and see what all this Kola Beach hype is about. चलिए, shall we go, sir? चलो. Let's go!
On the way to Kola Beach, we spotted some beautiful backwaters lined by local fishing villages. As we've been staying here for more than a month now, watching the local fishermen go about their daily chores has become a routine activity for us. This morning too, it's a delight to see them at work while the locals wait for their share of the fresh catch. As the fishing boat chugged away into the deep waters, we headed back to the road.
And here we are at the turn to Kola Beach. टर्न के बाद कच्चे रास्ते में आ गए हैं और ये रास्ता थोड़ा खराब है. Oh Lord, look at that. Let me get off, Josh. Let me get off. Another crazy stretch. काफी खराब रोड. So reached finally.
और इसके आगे हमने जो देखा totally blew our mind away. तो चलिए आपको इस खूबसूरत बीच के बारे में पूरी जानकारी देते हैं. Kola Beach is in the Konkan region of South Goa.
Hidden away beyond Agonda, accessible by this adventurous strip of dirt track, but totally worth it, man.
It is one of the hidden beaches still undiscovered by most tourists. So you will find it secluded throughout the year. The first thing that strikes you at Kola are the fine golden sandy beaches dotted with large and small volcanic boulders and flanked by the dense green foliage on the bordering hills.
What a beautiful beach this is. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. And we've come in the morning hours, तो बहुत कम लोग हैं.
Due to its seclusion and lack of tourists, the beach offers a very relaxed atmosphere.
There are quite a few cottages on the beach side here. काफ़ी सारे occupied भी हैं. So looks like this place is definitely catching up and getting popular.
The water here is crystal clear.
पानी अभी टेस्ट करना है. Looks a little rocky, लेकिन कितना deep है पथरीला है या नहीं वो अंदर जाके ही पता चलेगा, which we will do in a bit. अभी तो I'm just enjoying taking in the feel of this whole place. Such a gorgeous piece of white sandy strip.
If you're planning to head for a swim, you will have to be a little cautious because the depth of the beach may change suddenly and you also might come across rocks in the water.
It's very deep and it pulls you in, you know, so you have to be a little careful. जन्नत है कोला बीच, सच में बहुत अच्छा लगा। आते वक्त कुछ अलग सोच के आया था। हाँ, मुझे पता था रास्ता थोड़ा सा ख़राब है, बट लास्ट के कुछ 3-4 किलोमीटर्स थोड़ा सा डर्ट ट्रैक है, सो बाइकर्स थोड़ा सा केयरफुली राइड करना पड़ता है। बट यहाँ पे आके ऑल द एफर्ट विच यू टेक इज़ वर्थ इट। बीच इज़ रियली नाइस, रियली ऑसम।
So after marinating on the beach for 3-4 hours and multiple dips in the sea, we started feeling the hunger pangs and headed to one of the 2 beach shacks we had spotted. दोपहर की बिलखती गर्मी में शैक के अंदर आकर बड़ा ही सुकून मिला। बीच और बैकवाटर्स के खूबसूरत नज़ारे देखते हुए पालक पनीर और ठंडी बियर का मज़ा कुछ अलग ही था।
That is the beach. And just right across, that is where the canoe ride is happening. So now we are headed out for a canoe ride in the blue lagoons of Kola Beach. Let's go.
जो भी थोड़े बहुत टूरिस्ट आए थे वो हमें कोला बीच के बैक वाटर्स में मस्ती करते हुए दिखे। करीब 10 मिनट के बाद हमें हमारा कनू मिल गया और हम चल पड़े बैक वाटर्स में कनूइंग का मजा लेने।
We are off on the canoe. This is a 2-seater canoe with Prashant going on the oars. दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल लिटिल लगून जो कोला बीच में है और आप यहाँ कनू हायर कर सकते हैं फॉर 200 रुपीज़ फॉर हाफ एन आवर एंड यू कैन गो कनूइंग इन दीज ब्यूटिफुल बैक वाटर्स ऑफ गोवा। वॉच आउट! Well done, Manore. Well maneuvered. So we are going to be going right under the bridge. And here we are. Ta-da! Good job. There's some traffic around us. Oops. The beach is right there.
And we are back. Here ends our lovely backwater canoe ride. जितना हमने सुना था, कोला बीच उससे काफी बढ़कर निकला. And to think, despite visiting Goa scores of times, we never even knew about the existence of this tropical paradise in South Goa. The bad approach road could definitely be one reason why this paradise is still not steaming with tourists. So if you are visiting Goa and don't mind a slightly bumpy ride, then head to Kola Beach to discover the most amazing tropical paradise on the Goan coastal stretch. And to think, despite visiting Goa scores of times, we never even knew about the existence of this tropical paradise in South Goa. The bad approach road could definitely be one reason why this paradise is still not steaming with tourists. So if you are visiting Goa and don't mind a slightly bumpy ride, then head to Kola Beach to discover the most amazing tropical paradise on the Goan coastal stretch.
Hope you like this vlog of Kola Beach. Do share your comments, hit the like button, share the video, and अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe man. And we are going to be exploring more of South Goa and bringing that to you in the coming videos. So till we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, and ciao.